Today we're going to talk through the proper installation of a CD13. A CD13 is an insulation piercing connector to be used on 25 and 35 kV spacer cable and tree wire. This is the unit. One of the critical steps in putting the CD13 on is making sure you have the alignment of the cable in the jaw of the unit. This shows where it should be properly placed when it's on the conductor. So what we're going to do now is put the unit on the line. The unit is made to be put on either with the rubber glove method or with a hot stick. The end of this will take a universal grip stick or a shotgun stick to put it on, so you can set the unit in place, twist this till this head breaks off. It'll break in between this nut and the bottom unit. Once that's in place, then you use a 7/8 6-point socket to shear off this second bolt, which will drive the teeth into the conductor, through the sheath onto the conductor. It also has 2 tabs here so it can be removed. So now we're going to take this unit, put it on the conductor, make sure that it's properly seated. We have various options. If you're using this in a spacer cable installation, if it was on the bottom phase, you'd probably want to put the unit straight up and down. If it were on one of the side phases, you'd probably want to put it at a 45-degree angle. It can be put on this way if it makes more sense for your installation. But for today's purpose, we're going to put it on like this at a 45-degree angle. We're going to hand tighten this and it'll hold itself there. The teeth are just barely penetrating the sheath. If you're using the rubber glove method, the easiest method to do that is to take a screwdriver, put it through the end, and tighten this up. Keep in mind, we're going to keep tightening this till that shears. Just like that. Okay? Now it's partially installed. One of the things we want to make sure, and I should have described earlier, is making sure that this connector is perpendicular to the cable. In this case, we have it that way. I was holding it during the installation. If you're using a hot stick method, you can get a hold of this bus bar. This is made to put a hot line clamp on. You can get a hold of it with a second shotgun stick to help hold it, to make sure it's perpendicular, so you're getting proper teeth penetration through the sheath. Okay, now we're going to take a high torque impact, 7/8 6-point. Make sure we've got a good charge. Make sure we're in the proper direction. We'll come on. We're going to drive this on until that 7/8 bolt edge shears off. The installation is now complete.